Turning on a boiler may seem intimidating, but it's actually a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Boilers are essential for heating your home and providing hot water, especially during colder months. Here's a step-by-step guide to safely and effectively turn on your boiler, ensuring it's ready to work efficiently. Before you turn on the boiler, it's important to make sure that everything is in order. Start by checking the power supply. Ensure that the boiler is plugged in and that the main power switch is in the on position. Most modern boilers are controlled by a main switch, usually located near the boiler, on the wall or on a nearby panel. If your boiler is electric, it should have an LED light or a screen indicating it's receiving power. Next, check the gas supply if you have a gas boiler. Make sure the gas valve is open, as no gas means the boiler won't be able to ignite. This valve is usually located near the boiler or in the kitchen. If your boiler uses gas,